Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at, and yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. We did it last week, we did it the week before last, and we're going to do it again. And with that, welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we're going to take a look at a watch face by Freedom. And in my opinion, this watch face looks realistic. If you take away the digital time, you got a really nice looking timepiece right here. Now, the name of the watch face is called Al02. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get this look right here. It's just going to be dimmed down a little bit more. And once the watch face is on, you get an analog look and you get digital time. Again, you get the best of both worlds. Now, a lot of the watch faces that I've been reviewing have been having digital and analog together. I don't know what's going on with that, but this is what we have. But if you look at the watch face, it looks nice, right? You got a couple of dials at the top. You got one that's going to give you your step status info, and the one on the right of it is going to give you info on your battery life. Now, you come down, you got a nice little box for your digital time, and right there in that same box, you'll be able to set an alarm. So the watch face is interactive, and you're going to get your day and your date as well. So I'm liking to look at this watch face, and it is interactive. So if I tap right here in the middle on this icon, I can go into my settings, which I thought was pretty cool. I could tap on each dial, bring up my step status info, calories burned, and get my battery life over to this side. And if I tap precise, I can bring up where I could set an alarm also. I thought that was pretty cool. Get your calendar. So this watch face has a lot to offer in my opinion. And if I double tap, I can customize the theme look at this watch face, whether it be blue, red, orange. I thought it was a nice look. Just double tap and it changes to whatever color you would like to have this on. And I'm thinking the developer definitely did a good job with this watch face. I suggest you check this out in the Gear Manager store and give it a shot. With that being said, let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two, I'm loving number two. Number two is like an elegant watch face that you wear at any given time. Now, you could dress down or you could dress up, but I'm thinking this is more so of a dress watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Freedom. In always on mode, it still has an elegant look. I like the way it looks in always on mode as well as when the watch face is on. But when it's on, I like the dials. I like the analog look of this watch face, and it has a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that adds a little bit more class to the watch face as well. You got the logo of the developer right there center. Truly, this is a good look, and you get the date at a slant, which isn't a bad look at all. Now, in the dial to your left, you're going to get the day of the week. To the right, you're going to get your month. And down at the bottom, you're going to get info on your battery. So I'm liking the look. And you can customize the look of this watch face to a degree. So if I double tap, I can change the colors to the rings. But if I double tap again, this is what I thought was real cool. Now I can color the indexes. So if I don't want the indexes colored, I can just tap it that one time, double tap that one time, and I can customize the color of the rings. Let's check out a couple of them. I'm thinking this was really cool, really nice to be able to do, especially if you're wearing something that's going to complement the color of your outfit. So what do you think, people? I thought Freedom got down on both watch faces. I thought he did a really, really great job. At the end of the day, what do you think? Because this is a free watch face in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you go in, take a look, and check it out for yourself. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face review. I know the Monday grind hopefully is going well thus far. And if you like this video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.